What is the way of the road? What is the way?
Magtabangan po.
How much the way up the BALER? I'm going to BALER and I'm not familiar here because I'm here from Manila. This is my first time.
Anong tawag dito?
Can you speak English, ma'am? A little bit.
Go straight po tong ano na to. This highway.
Right. And after straight.
Straight lang po tong ano na to.
Straight only? Not right or left?
Pantabangan.
Yes. What?
I'm not
A little bit. After here, we have a crossing or not?
and then this one not go to BALER and then this go to BALER.
Right or left? Right then? What is the name of road, ma'am? What is the name? This is the Pantabangan Dam.
Oo.
And what is the next?
The Pantabangan Market.
Market? How many hours from here?
Not hours to minutes.
Minutes? To BALER?
No, to Pantabangan
Pantabangan
Market.
Market. How many hours from here to BALER?
I don't know po if 2 or ilang hours po papuntang BALER? BALER? Hanggang Pantabangan?
Mga ano po sir?
English speaking.
Sir, how many hours, sir?
Mga 2 or 3 hours sir. Going from BALER.
Ay, from Pantabangan to BALER.
Okay.
2 hours to 3.
At 2 to 3 hours from here.
Opo.
So after here, we have a crossing and I'm left.
Oh. Left and
Right.
right.
Alright.
Then, diretso na po yan. Pa BALER.
Right turn. Okay.
Go straight na po yan.
Straight only.
Opo.
Okay. Ano oras na po ba, ma'am?
Ano tayo? Ano po sir?
Yan po na. Ano na ito?
Mga kababa. Ay ba nito yung kasi Google Map wala ka ba? Boy!
Ngayon po tuloy si ma'am.
Ay pati nga ako sir, pinahirawan mo nga.